Most cars barely survive 150,000 miles before begging for repairs, but there's a rare breed of machines built to go 500,000 miles without breaking a sweat. Today we're counting down 20 cars that can hit 500,000 miles with no major repairs and zero regrets. If you want a lifetime car, watch this till the end. Let's begin. When we talk about long-lasting cars, we're not guessing. These are real-world legends backed by owner stories, taxi fleets, and even million-mile records, and they all share three things: bulletproof engines, simple mechanics, and parts that never quit. Here are the 20 cars that just won't die. 1. Toyota Camry, from 1997 to 2017, the world's most reliable sedan. With the 2.4-liter four-cylinder or 3.5-liter V6, these engines run forever with just oil changes, known for smooth transmissions and iron block longevity. 2. Honda Accord, 2003 to 2012. Honda's K-Series engines don't play around. These sedans rack up miles with factory parts and still drive like new at 300,000. 3. Toyota Corolla, 2000 to 2018. A 1.8-liter timing chain motor that refuses to quit. Ultra cheap to maintain. Perfect for daily commuters who want peace of mind. 4. Honda Civic, 2006 to 2015. Fuel-efficient, strong resale value, and one of the least problematic compact cars ever made. The proof? Millions of Civics still on the road today. 5. Lexus LS 430, 2000 to 2006. Luxury that lasts. Built like a tank with a 4.3-liter V8 engine capable of 500,000 miles. Smooth, silent, and shockingly reliable. 6. Toyota 4Runner, 2002 to present. Body-on-frame SUV with a V6 engine that's as durable as a mountain goat, seen with 400,000-plus miles in harsh terrain. 7. Ford Crown Victoria, 1998 to 2011, the cop car, the taxi car, the indestructible Panther platform. 4.6-liter V8, rear-wheel drive and frame strength that survives crashes and curbs. 8. Toyota Prius, 2004 to 2015. Yes, a hybrid makes the list. Taxi fleets worldwide have run these cars over 400,000 miles with original batteries and engines. 9. Chevy Silverado 1500, 2003 to 2007. Powered by the legendary 5.3-liter Vortec V8, simple, reliable, and long-lasting when serviced. Rust-proof frames still going strong. 10. Toyota Land Cruiser, 1998 to 2021. Land Cruiser. These SUVs are famous in Africa and the Middle East for lasting decades in extreme heat and sand, one of the most reliable vehicles of all time. 11. Lexus GX 470, 2003 to 2009. A luxury tank based on the Land Cruiser Prado. The 2UZFE V8 is practically unbreakable. 12. Honda Pilot, 2009 to 2015. V6 engine, with excellent Honda engineering and a transmission that doesn't quit like other SUVs. Ideal family hauler. 13. Toyota Sequoia, 2001 to 2017. Full-size SUV with the Land Cruiser V8, known for crossing 300,000 miles like it's nothing. 14. Subaru Outback, 2005 to 2014, 3.6-liter only. The 3.6 flat 6 avoids the head gasket problems found in smaller Subarus. Rugged all-wheel drive for life in the snow belt. The Volvo 240, built from 1974 to 1993, was pretty much an old-school safe box on wheels. Slow, square, and honestly, just bulletproof. Some of these are still out there hitting 1,000,000 miles, which is just wild. Next up, the Toyota Avalon, from 2005 to 2012. It's like the Camry's older brother, a V6 comfort cruiser, with less stress and more reliability. Then there's the Honda CR-V, model years 2007 to 2014. That 2.4-liter iVTEC engine, it pretty much lasts forever as long as you remember to change the oil. The transmission almost never fails, making it perfect for suburban families. Moving on, the Toyota Tacoma from 2005 to 2015. This is the small truck with a massive reputation. Owners actually call it unbreakable. Even its resale value just refuses to die. Then you've got the Nissan Frontier, built from 2005 to 2019. It's got that old-school truck design. No turbos, no complications, just tough. It's known for surviving some seriously rough rural work. And finally, the Mercedes-Benz W124 E-Class from 1985 to 1995. This wasn't just a car, it was over-engineered German steel. Many of the diesel variants are still running worldwide as taxis, even 30-plus years later. So, why do these cars last so long? Well, they don't rely on turbochargers, complex electronics, or overpowered engines. Instead, they're just simple, reliable, under-stressed, and honestly, built with quality materials. If you keep the oil fresh, change the filters, and stay on top of the basics, they'll probably outlive you. If you want to hit 500,000 miles, here's what you gotta do. Change the oil every 5,000 miles, use top-tier fuel only, replace the timing belt or chain right on schedule, keep the transmission fluid clean, and don't ignore those small leaks. They turn into big problems fast. So, want your next car to outlive your mortgage? Then go ahead and like this video, subscribe to Gear Specs, and let us know in the comments which car do you trust to go 500,000 miles.